2009 GT. 2009 Maserati Gran Turismo. What I'm doing, guys, is I have my bulb that is, I don't know, possibly out, but it kind of flickers and whatever, so it also might be the ballast. But what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and ordered bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it to see if it might be just the bulb, but all in all I think it's the ballast. So what I'm going to do is replace the bulb, check it out. If it don't work, then it's the ballast. I have a ballast coming in as well. In order to get to that, guys, you gotta take, like I said, that cover off, and you're able to get to that. Now the ballast, if it's out, the ballast is out. That's the ballast that's there. I'm probably gonna have to take this plate off. Yeah, there's gold paint. Ran over some crap, but anyways, I will have to take that plate off and probably get to that ballast on where that ballast comes in. But I'm going to try the bulb first. Hopefully it's just the bulb, which I doubt. Kind of hard with one hand, but that's it right there. Pull it out. But what I'm going to do is use my other hand. I'm going to do that. Take this off, put the new bulb in, put it all back together. So pretty much get an idea of what you got to do. Thank you.